What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best website to get stock videos with no copyright for shorts. But before I start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10k subscribers I'm going to show you all of my YouTube data, statistics on how to make money online and to create a passive income just like I do. So let's jump into it now. As you can see, we're on the website of Pexels.com and I use this website because I think it really is the best one. And why? Because the quality is amazing. It's often 4K, so the quality is amazing, and you can change the orientation of your videos. That is not a common thing with a lot of other competitors of Pexels. And I want to mention that this video is not sponsored by any means, so I'm just going to show you how this works. We're looking for stock videos with no copyright. So for example, let's go to mountains. And right now we have 3 mountain videos that are all no copyrighted. And we can basically download any one of these. But for our YouTube Shorts, it's not very ideal to have this kind of orientation. So we're going to change this. And how do we change it? We're going to filters. All orientations, we change it to vertical. And right now we only have vertical orientations, which you can download immediately because they're all free. Let's say this one. This is also a very high quality video, and we can download it for free. As you can see, you don't have to register for Pexels. You can just download it, just like I do now, and you can use this in your shorts. So guys, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.